Today, we're diving into the world of mathematics to explore a fundamental concept: how to find the area of different shapes. Whether you're a student, a math enthusiast, or just someone looking to refresh their knowledge, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1: Understanding the basics. Before we jump into calculations, let's grasp the basics. The area is the measure of the amount of space inside a shape. We'll be working with common shapes like squares, rectangles, and circles. Step 2: Calculating the area of a square. Let's begin with squares. The area of a square is found by squaring the length of one of its sides. If the side length is s, then the area, A, is s square. Step 3: Finding the area of a rectangle. Moving on to rectangles. The area of a rectangle is calculated by multiplying its length and width. If the length is L and the width is W, then the area, A, is L times W. Step 4: Calculating the area of a circle. Now, let's explore circles. The area of a circle involves pi and the radius. If the radius is r, then the area, A, is pi times r square. Step 5: Handling triangles. Triangles have their own formula. The area of a triangle is calculated by taking half of the base times the height. If the base is b and the height is h, then the area, A, is 1/2 times b times h. Step 6: Area of irregular shapes. What if you're dealing with irregular shapes? Break them down into smaller, manageable shapes. Calculate the area of each smaller shape and then add them up. Step 7: Real-world applications. Understanding area calculations extends beyond the classroom. In real-world applications, from architecture to design, the ability to find area is a valuable skill. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to find the area of different shapes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more educational content, and let me know in the comments if there are other math topics you'd like me to cover. Until next time, happy calculating!